congratulations. Got a letter in the post. What is this? T-Series saying cease and desist. Had a problem with me telling them to hold their defecation, but let me educate you, silly, that's not defamation. T-Series can eat a dick, still not defamation. Suck my fucking Swedish meatballs, still not defamation. Did you know that Indians have poo-poo in their brains?
That's a blatant racist lie.
Yeah, but still not defamation.
India got you two figured out. That's sick, son. How about next you figure how to fix the caste system? Maybe all those ads will solve your crippling poverty, but looking at T-Series past, I'm guessing not probably. But never mind the poor people, we just here to party, just here to pop some bottles with a 9-year-old army.
Not alcoholic, cause I had a real